Ask anyone and they'll tell you. Your email list is usually the biggest revenue driver for your business. So if you've been wanting to build your own email list, but you're not quite sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. So listen, I love email marketing. I've been doing it for over 10 years now, and I firmly believe that every business, brand, content creator, influencer, you name it, should be using email to connect with their audience consistently. You don't need lots of subscribers or a big audience. All you need is engaged people on your email list and you'll make money. It's as simple as that. If you want to sell your own products and services, then building an email list is non-negotiable. And today I'm going to break down the 5 steps that you need to take to launch your own email list from scratch, even if you're a beginner. Okay, so step 1 is you actually need to sign up for an email marketing platform. So I'm sure that sounds pretty obvious, but you actually need a tool to send the emails for you. Now, there are tons and tons of options here. You've got ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc., etc. The list goes on and on. The most important thing though is just not to get bogged down with tech. Now, I recommend that all beginners start with a platform called System.io. It has everything you need and it's completely free to get started. And when I say completely free, I mean you actually get a free account, not just a free trial. As you grow, you may want to consider different, more advanced platforms, ones that give you more control over segmentation and conditional logic. But for now, just trust me on this, use System.io. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. It's awesome for beginners, it's free, it's simple, and it gets the job done. So just sign up and move on to the next step. Okay, so step 2 is you actually need to create a valuable freebie, otherwise known as a lead magnet. So basically, you need to give people a reason to join your email list. Now, let's face it, no one wants more emails, but people will happily trade their email address for something that they find valuable or something that they actually want. So you just need to have a think about what you can create, what you can offer that your either existing or potential audience will find valuable. So it could be a checklist, a template, a mini course, a video training, an ebook, a PDF, the list goes on. There's lots and lots of options. If you're a bit stuck at this stage, I've actually got a list of 47 digital product ideas that you can create. I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you know what your freebie is going to be, the next step is to create it. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on exactly how to create every single type of freebie in this video. That's a topic for another time. But if you are creating something like an ebook or just like a short PDF, I highly recommend you use Canva, really easy to use. Otherwise, you can use a Google Doc, Google Sheets. It really depends on what your freebie is. Now, once you've actually created your freebie, the next step is to build a landing page. This is the actual page where people can sign up to get your freebie. You'll often hear this page called an opt-in page or a squeeze page, and its only job is to collect email addresses. That's it. So it's important that this page is short, sweet, and very, very focused. Here's an example for you of my own freebie landing page. You can see we've got a strong headline that explains exactly what you're going to get, a handful of clear benefits, and a bold call to action button. It's simple, effective, and to the point. And yes, if you are interested, I have left a link to that freebie in the description below for you. Okay, so now you've got your freebie and your landing page set up and ready to go. What's next? Well, before you start driving traffic to the landing page, it's important or advisable that you set up a handful of important emails. These emails are going to form your welcome sequence. Technically, you can start driving traffic to your landing page before you've got these emails ready, but I really recommend that you get them in place first. They'll help engage your subscribers from day one and build trust a lot faster. So the first email is sent as soon as someone actually signs up for your freebie. And its job is to deliver the freebie, thank them for signing up, and just make a good first impression. After that is when your welcome sequence kicks in. Next, your welcome sequence will kick in. This can honestly be anything from 2 to 5 or more emails. It's entirely down to you. Now, the purpose of these emails are to introduce yourself, to set expectations, and start building a relationship with your subscribers. Basically, you're just familiarizing your subscribers with yourself. Basically, it's like a getting to know you phase. If you sign up for my 47 digital product ideas list below, you'll get my welcome email so you can see the kind of thing that I use. Now, the best part is that once these emails are written and set up, it's completely automated. It really is a set it and forget it. Okay, so now by this stage, you've done all the foundational work. You've got your freebie, you've got your landing page, and your welcome emails are ready to go. Step 4 is when we're actually going to start growing that email list. And this is where you're actually going to put your freebie out into the world. So this is going to be wherever it makes sense based on the audience you already have. But if you don't have an audience, it's no problem. I recommend YouTube, but you can start on any social platform you want. The most important thing is just start creating content and leave links to your freebie wherever you can. Now, just to set expectations, it is going to be slow at the start, but that's completely fine and completely normal. Growth is growth and you have to start somewhere, but just stick with it and over time your list will grow and grow and grow. Which brings us to the final and most important step of the whole process: consistency. You need to add value and listen. And this is the part that matters the most. You could have the biggest list in the world, but if people aren't opening your emails, reading them and clicking them, it doesn't mean anything. To build a list that actually buys from you, you have to stay top of mind. And that means showing up consistently, delivering real value, and earning trust. Now, some people email daily, some people email once a week, some people even email once a month. There's no one size fits all answer, but the most important thing is consistency. So all you have to do is pick a frequency that feels doable for you and stick to it. And over time, your subscribers will come to expect and look forward to receiving your emails. And there you have it. Listen, if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.